Hello everyone, this printer is Brother DCP-L2620DW. I'm going to show you how to copy documents. Open up the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down, close the scanner, then you will see this button, copy/scan options. So select this button, it will show you copy option quality, use up arrow for you to select layout, quality, enlarge or reduce, density, two-sided copy, then select OK for two-sided copy, select up, density, enlarge or reduce, contrast, two-sided, then select OK. Two-sided, first side to two-side, then select OK. It will show you two-sided copy. Then you select start. Then it will show you next page, yes or no. Then you open the glass scanner. Put the next document you want to copy face down. Then select this button to select yes. Then it will ask you next page, yes or no. Select this button to select no. And it will start to copy. This is the document we copied, two-sided. To copy the document, stick the document, and you will see that the number of copies is highlighting. So use plus for you to select the number of copies. Select minus to select the number of copies as well. So once you select copies, it will be highlighting, and also go to copy/scan option, then quality, then select OK to quality. It's currently auto quality. Then use up arrow. It will show you layout. Select OK. It will show you 1-in-1. You can also select 2-in-1 from the layout. Use up. It will show you 4-in-1 layout. 2-in-1 layout. So you put the document you want to copy, for instance, 2-in-1 layout, then you select OK. So the layout is selected in 2-in-1, then you select start. It will show you 2-in-1 and two-sided. Then the next page. So next page, then you select this button, yes. Then it will ask you next page. If you want to print it out, then you select no. Then the document will be printed. You can see we copied 2-in-1. You can do 4-in-1 as well. So now what I want us to do is for us to copy single page. We have copied double-sided 2-in-1. Now we want to copy single page. Then you go to the settings, select copy and scans options, select on it, then quality, page layout, select OK to page layout, 2-in-1, 4-in-1, off, select OK. So their layout is 1-on-1. If you go to layout, it will show you 1-in-1. Then also, so select OK, then select up arrow, stack, contrast, two-sided, select OK, use up arrow, two-sided off, then you select OK. So two-sided, copy two-sided, select two-sided is off. Two-sided long edge, off. off, select OK. Then you select two-sided, contrast, two-sided, select OK. Select OK, two-sided off. Then select start. This is the document we copied, one page. And this is the original one. We copy this. So these are ways to copy documents from this printer. You can also copy 2-in-1 ID card copy. So this is how to copy document from this printer. Thank you very much indeed.